Imagine taking a medication, hoping it will quickly relieve your symptoms. You swallow a pill, but how much of that medicine actually reaches its intended target in your body? This is where bioavailability comes in. Bioavailability refers to the proportion of a drug that enters your bloodstream and becomes available to produce its effect. Think of it like this. You plant 10 seeds in your garden. Ideally, all 10 would sprout and grow into plants. However, various factors like soil quality or weather might affect how many seeds actually flourish. Similarly, factors like digestion or metabolism can influence how much of a drug actually reaches your system. Understanding bioavailability is crucial for both patients and healthcare providers. It helps determine the appropriate dosage of a drug, ensuring patients receive the right amount for optimal benefit. To understand bioavailability, let's trace a drug's journey through your body. When you swallow a pill, it embarks on a complex journey before reaching its target. First, it encounters the digestive system, where it breaks down and dissolves. The drug molecules then travel to the small intestine, where they're absorbed into the bloodstream. The bloodstream acts like a highway, carrying the drug throughout the body to various tissues and organs. Finally, the drug reaches its target site, where it exerts its therapeutic effect. However, not all drug molecules complete this journey successfully. Some get lost along the way due to various factors, which we'll explore in the next section. Many factors can influence a drug's bioavailability, making its journey from pill to bloodstream a complex and sometimes bumpy ride. One crucial factor is the drug's formulation. Pills, capsules, liquids, and injections. All these different forms can affect how quickly and effectively a drug is absorbed. The route of administration also plays a significant role. Swallowing a pill, injecting it into a muscle, or applying it topically all lead to different absorption rates. Furthermore, the body's own processes like metabolism and elimination can impact how much of a drug remains available in the system. Let's compare two common drug administration routes to illustrate bioavailability differences, oral and intravenous. When you swallow a pill, it must first navigate the digestive system before reaching the bloodstream. This journey subjects the drug to various barriers and metabolic processes, potentially reducing the amount that reaches systemic circulation, the bloodstream that carries the drug throughout the body. On the other hand, intravenous IV administration delivers the drug directly into the bloodstream, bypassing the digestive process. This direct route typically results in 100% bioavailability, meaning the entire dose enters the systemic circulation, ready to act. However, IV administration is not always feasible or preferable, and oral medications remain a cornerstone of modern medicine. Section 5. Bioequivalence, the quest for drug equivalence. Now, let's delve into bioequivalence, a crucial concept closely tied to bioavailability. Bioequivalence ensures that different formulations of the same drug, like brand name versus generic medications, have comparable bioavailability. In simpler terms, two drugs are bioequivalent if they release the active pharmaceutical ingredient, the key chemical responsible for the drug's therapeutic effect, into the bloodstream at the same rate and to the same extent. This means that even if two pills look different or come from different manufacturers, they should have similar effects on the body if they are bioequivalent. Section 6. Testing bioequivalence, ensuring drug consistency. Rigorous testing ensures bioequivalence between different drug formulations. These tests typically involve healthy volunteers who take either the brand name or generic version of a drug. Scientists then carefully measure the concentration of the active pharmaceutical ingredient in the volunteer's blood over time. By comparing these concentration time profiles, they can determine if the two formulations release the drug into the bloodstream at similar rates and extents. Stringent regulatory guidelines ensure that only bioequivalent drug products are deemed interchangeable. Section 7. The significance of bioequivalence, why it matters for patients. Bioequivalence is crucial for several reasons. Firstly, it ensures that patients switching between brand name and generic medications, or even between different generic versions, receive consistent therapeutic effects. This consistency is vital for managing chronic conditions effectively and avoiding unexpected variations in drug response. Secondly, bioequivalence fosters confidence and trust in the healthcare system. Patients can be assured that approved generic medications offer the same therapeutic benefits as their more expensive brand name counterparts. This assurance helps make healthcare more affordable and accessible. Section 8. Real-world implications of bioavailability and bioequivalence. The concepts of bioavailability and bioequivalence have far-reaching implications in healthcare. For instance, understanding these concepts is crucial for developing new drug formulations. Scientists strive to create formulations that maximize bioavailability, enhancing drug efficacy and potentially reducing the required dosage. Moreover, these concepts play a vital role in personalized medicine, where treatments are tailored to individual patients based on their genetic makeup and other factors. By considering bioavailability, healthcare providers can optimize drug regimens for individual needs, maximizing benefits and minimizing risks. Section 9. Beyond generic drugs, bioavailability in brand name medications. While often discussed in the context of generic drugs, bioequivalence is equally relevant for brand name medications. Even slight variations in manufacturing processes or ingredient sourcing can impact a drug's bioavailability. Therefore, regulatory agencies, like the Food and Drug Administration, closely monitor brand name drugs throughout their life cycle to ensure consistent quality and therapeutic effects. This stringent oversight ensures that patients receive medications that meet the highest standards of safety and efficacy. Section 10. The future of bioavailability and bioequivalence, advancements and challenges. The field of bioavailability and bioequivalence is constantly evolving. Researchers are developing innovative drug delivery systems, such as nanoparticles and microneedles, designed to enhance bioavailability and target drug delivery more precisely. These advancements hold immense promise for improving drug efficacy, reducing side effects, and revolutionizing how we treat diseases. However, challenges remain, such as understanding individual variability in drug response and developing more accurate and efficient bioequivalence testing methods. Section 11. Understanding for empowerment. Your health, your knowledge. Understanding bioavailability and bioequivalence empowers both patients and healthcare providers to make informed decisions about medication. Patients can engage in more meaningful conversations with their doctors about different treatment options, understanding the factors that might influence drug effectiveness. Healthcare providers can optimize drug regimens based on individual patient needs and preferences, considering factors like bioavailability and potential drug interactions. As with any aspect of healthcare, knowledge is power, enabling us to make the best choices for our well-being.